Hello students, in this video I am going to explain class 12th English materials. Chapter name is Intego. This is second video, students. Chapter number 5th. Name of the book is Flamingo. Students, it is second video. Summary, second part. In the court, Gandhiji pleaded guilty. He asked for penalty. He read out a statement. He said he was faced with conflict of duties. He respected the lawful authority. He was not a lawbreaker, but he could not disregard the voice of his consciousness to do humanitarian and national service. The judge said he would take several days to deliver the judgment, but he let Gandhiji to go free. Gandhiji asked his lawyer friends what they would do if he went to jail. They replied they would go home. Gandhiji asked again what would happen to the poor peasants. Then the lawyers felt assent. Gandhiji, who was a stranger, was willing to go to jail for their sake. The lawyers claimed to have been serving the peasants. Going home would mean shameful betrayal. They told Gandhiji that they too would follow him into jail. Gandhiji was pleased now. He declared that the battle of चंपारण was won. गांधी को ये लगा कि अब चंपारण का जो हम युद्ध लड़ रहे हैं अंग्रेजों से, वो जीत लिया गया। तब जब वकील लोगों ने ये निर्णय लिया कि अगर अदालत फैसला सुनाती है महात्मा गांधी जी को जेल में डालने के लिए, तो हम भी उनके साथ जेल जाएंगे, हम वापस अपने घर को नहीं जाएंगे। He then divided the group in two pairs and put down the order in which each pair would court arrest. But the lieutenant governor of the province decided to drop the case against Gandhiji. This was the victory of civil disobedience. Gandhiji and the lawyers conducted an inquiry into the complaints of the peasants. About 10,000 peasants deposed. Documents were collected. Gandhiji was summoned by Sir Edward Gate, the lieutenant governor. He met the lieutenant governor 4 times. An official commission of inquiry was appointed. Gandhiji remained in Champaran initially for 7 months and then came for several shorter visits. The official inquiry assembled evidence against the big planters. They agreed in principle to make refunds to the peasants. Gandhiji asked only 50%. The representative of the planters offered to refund up to 25%. Gandhiji agreed. गांधीजी इस पर भी सहमत हो गए कि कोई बात नहीं, 50% नहीं, आप 25% ही रिफंड कीजिए। The deadlock was broken. He had a moral victory. और स्टूडेंट, ये एक नैतिक विजय थी। गांधीजी explained that the amount of money was not important. By agreeing to refund the peasants' money, the landlords had lost their prestige. They were no longer threatened. The peasants learned they had rights and their were people to defend their rights. In a few years, the British planters abandoned their estates. These now went back to the peasants. इंडिगो शेयर क्रॉपिंग डिसअपियर्ड, और इस तरीके से इंडिगो की खेती एक तरीके से डिसअपियर हो गई, गायब हो गई. गांधी जी wanted to do something to remove the cultural and social backwardness in Champaran's village. He appealed for teachers. Two young disciples of Gandhiji, Mahadev Desai and Narhari Parikh, and their wives volunteered for a week. Several more came from Bombay, Pune, and other distant parts of the land. Devdas, Gandhiji's youngest son, arrived from the ashram, and so did Mrs. Gandhi. Primary schools were opened in 6 villages. Kasturba taught the ashram rules on personal cleanliness and community sanitation. Health conditions were miserable. Gandhiji got a doctor to volunteer his service for 6 months. 3 medicines were available: castor oil, quinine, and sulfur ointment. Gandhiji noticed the filthy state of women's clothes. One woman told Kasturba that she had only one sari. During his long stay in Champaran, Gandhiji kept a long distance watch on the ashram and sent regular instruction by mail. The Champaran episode was a turning point in Gandhiji's life. It did not begin as an act of defense. Instead, it grew out of an attempt to lessen the suffering of the poor peasants. Gandhiji's politics was closely connected with the practical day-to-day problems of the millions. He tried to mold a new free India who could stand on his own feet and thus make India free. Charles Freer Andrews was devoted follower of Gandhiji. He came to Champaran. Gandhiji's lawyer friends wanted him to stay on to help them, but Gandhiji opposed the idea. He said, "The cause is just, and you must rely upon yourselves to win the battle." Thus, self-reliance, Indian independence, and help to sharecroppers were all bound together. In the end of this video, students, homework for you. Prepare this chapter full summary. Prepare full summary of this chapter.